What's up, guys? Devontae Graves back at it again with another video. Today we're going to be talking about FutureNet and futureadpro because I've been getting a few questions and little concerns about FutureNet. What is FutureNet? What is futureadpro? And I was talking to this one guy on one of my videos. He had a comment on my video, and he was talking about FutureNet calf, and I wasn't even aware that they had a calf for like a restaurant type thing going on. I don't know. It's really good though. It's really good for the FutureNet and futureadpro community. It's really good actually because the thing about these rev shares, like there's been rev shares that's come and gone. Like you got Traffic Monsoon. My Paying Ads was one. There's a lot of them out there, but the one that sticks out to me the most is definitely FutureNet and futureadpro because they've been through it all. FutureNet and futureadpro has been around for about 4 or 5, maybe 6 years now, and then they're always improving, adding new things. You see, they got the calf here, and like there's been rev shares that have come and gone, but FutureNet slash futureadpro it's always been there. It's always been there. Very solid, very solid program. That's all I can really say. Is a very solid rev share. And they're always constantly improving. So I want to talk about FutureNet, and then we're going to speak on futureadpro a little bit. But FutureNet, I'm gonna go to my profile, and I wanted to show you guys how it's actually better to start running ads on FutureNet rather than Facebook, because Facebook is really cracking down on like scamming and basically our industry. They don't want they want to tone it down a bit, and so I really recommend promoting your post on here, FutureNet, because first of all, FutureNet will attract a different type of crowd. Like a lot of people just go to Facebook. I'm just going to hit Facebook and see what happens there. But actually, the better platform is FutureNet because for one, you can have an unlimited amounts of friends, and the budget is kind of cheaper, and I really think the mindset of people in FutureNet are a little bit different than the typical warm market that would be a Facebook group or etc. And you can start off with just $10, and then you can go to deposit money because I have no money in my account, and they take all cryptocurrencies, they take all bank transfers, payment processors, Payza, not Payza. Yeah, I heard Payza got indicted, but yeah, they don't take Payza, but they take crypto, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Dash, Bitcoin Cash. So yeah, man, I really like the fact that you can. It's so crypto based, and I really feel really good about this platform. I really do. I really feel great about this platform because they're always improving, and they've been very solid over the years. I've seen, like I've said, they've been Traffic Monsoon, My Paying Ads. All these other rev shares have come and gone, but FutureNet slash futureadpro is still going strong to this day, and they're always improving. And you can spend $10 just to promote a post, and you can receive up to 3,000 views. I mean, that's not really bad at all. Think about what 3,000 new friend requests could do to your business. Your last year being broke plan, and that's very powerful. Just for $10. Let me see what $50 would get me. And maybe next time, instead of buying an ad pack, you can buy a little ad to promote on FutureNet. Because FutureNet is definitely a crowd that you want to attract. You want to attract people that is in FutureNet, because like I really feel like the mind state of people in FutureNet is different than Facebook, because Facebook is just so oversaturated, and so you don't know what you don't know what you're gonna find on Facebook. But FutureNet, you have a pretty good idea of what you're gonna the mind state of people. It's kind of like IBO Toolbox, like almost, it's like more like-minded individuals, you know. Like you're gonna have all types of people on Facebook, you know. So just I really just feel really good about FutureNet, and then I just feel really good about it. And I'm gonna move on to futureadpro. I just finished clicking my 10 ads for today. Um, I wanna just keep racking up on my ad packs. I have 10 active ad packs now, but I wanna start getting I wanna start accumulating $50 ad packs. I wanna start getting those active. And one question I did have is FutureNet traffic? I mean, is FutureAdPro traffic good enough? And I quite frankly, it's not. You know, it's I'm gonna actually buy some more views just to test this theory because let me see, I could buy 2,000 views with my online account. 2,000, $6. No, I don't. I'm gonna just go 500, and I'm gonna buy 500 views. Just buy that. Just refresh the page. I'm gonna go to let me go to advertising. Let me go to your ads. I just want to make sure. I think I might have. I could. Let's see. I could just. No, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it the way it is. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna assign some views. So I don't think the views came in yet. I might gotta wait till they kick in. I'm not sure yet. Let me refresh this. There we go. There we go. So let's start adding some more views. I'm gonna assign all these views to my website, and this is what you should be doing every time you buy ad pack. Every time you buy views, you gotta assign the views to your ad. Okay, and views set properly, so everything is working fine. Just double check just to make sure it's on 0. Alright, everything is good. Everything copacetic. Yeah, so that's FutureAdPro. I could go. Oh, and let's say for an example, you know for a fact that you're not going to be able to click your 10 ads for whatever amounts of time that you're going to be away. You can just request some holiday time. You can request 2 days or however many days that you need, but you know it will be a little fee. Yeah, it will be a little fee. Just expect that. They will tell you the holiday fee as well, but I just recommend if you just click the 10 ads, you know, if you just click your 10 ads. That's what I recommend. And FutureNet/FutureAdPro is definitely here to stay, man. They've been here for they weathered the storm. They paid their dues. They've been through the storm. They know how to operate their system, and they've seen the goods and the bad sides of each rev shares. So they know exactly what they're doing here, and I hope you guys, you know, take interest in FutureAdPro/FutureNet. And I really appreciate you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it so much. And thank you, and I will see you on the inside.